Alright guys, so I'm not really sure if this is going to work, but I did design this, and this is just a base for, whatever you're going to be molding, and I'm really tired of having to use hot glue on things like this just to be able to create a mold, and I feel like with the way I have this in here, it might actually save me some room too. And I mean, my mold's not going to be super huge, which would be great. It also saved me on product, and you see how close my edges are right there. So I still have a little bit of a gap. That way you'll still be able to have this look after the silicone dries. But we're going to see if this works out. Okay, so it looks like everything's good. I have no leaking edges like I was afraid I would have. It actually turned out really good. So what I'm using on the bottom is sticker tape. So just your everyday matted sticker project tape. I did order some adhesive off of Amazon, and I have not used it yet. I'm kind of leery about it because honestly this sticker tape is pretty awesome. And right now I'm using the Mold Star 15 Slow. I actually bought like the gallon size off of Smooth On, so you could check that out over there. This is one of my favorites so far. Molds, silicone mold makers, but it's also because you don't have to decompress it. So a lot of the molding that you do, you will have to decompress. Some of it you do, some of it you don't. But honestly, guys, check on Smooth On before you purchase any other type of product from anywhere else. Because the last thing you want to do is buy some silicone from somewhere thinking like, oh, this is the cheapest, this is the greatest stuff, and then you find out that you have to decompress it. But I hope you guys liked the video, and I will be posting a link for this product, and it will be on our Etsy page, and I'll have multiple different sizes. Message us on Etsy if you want like a different design. So I could do like squares, I could do stars, I could do all different kinds of stuff, and you could have like your own design. Alright, thanks. Peace out at Branscome's 3D Printing.